got a bit of a shambles in here, as you can see. There is stuff everywhere. And so we're going to have a bit of a clean up. So starting with all the go. Well, I got my good sheet on today. Rightio.
7th of January.
This window,
Yes.
it's broken
Yeah.
and we need it gone.
Yeah. We
Because
do.
we're going to put the big screen telly up here and the heat pump above. So cables and things are going to come up here. So I think it'd be best to get rid of this altogether. So that's what I'm going to do now. Going to put new cladding on the outside, new framing, and then it'll be done.
Yeah.
So
It's not like we don't have enough light.
it's going to be dark in here, Jill. No, it should be good. Let's get rid of it.
Okay.
This really is a shit window.
Just for decoration, that bit.
It's just been poorly constructed. Right.
Has the window frame been made by hand?
I think it has. It's just all a bit shit. Right, windows out. It was pretty average sort of window. This is sort of a homemade type window. So it's probably good that it's gone. Saying that, it's done the job. It's not leaked in here. And it's not rotten, so it's good. So we've got a heat pump going here, high level heat pump, and a big telly going below that. So now I've got to think about how to get the heat pump conduits down here. I don't want them on the outside of the wall or the inside. So they'll come down the middle of the wall and then out to the external unit. So just got to suss that out now. And then I'll frame up the wall, building paper cladding, and it's done. But there never used to be a window here. The studs are all being cut. And of course there's no lintel in this area. So technically should have had lintel because this is a structural wall.
What's a lintel?
To take the weight from the roof. The purlins come along to this wall and they come onto this wall and come down. So this was a load bearing wall that I've just chopped out the studs. So putting the framing back is probably better, structurally wise. So that's it. Trying to work out where to put the tally and where to put the heat pump. We've got 5 metres between the wall and the open door, so 2.5 metres is here. So tally in here and heat pump above. So I think that'll be about right. What do you reckon? Okay, so just cut a wee hole there. This is the dwang level. I need to get the heat pump pipes down here, cut a hole out. We can chip out a bit of this dwang and carry the heat pumps down and out on the plan. We're labelling all these so we can put them back and then just plaster over them. That's the plan. Framed up. New top and bottom plate, new studs, all treated H3 where I can. And now we'll put the building paper on the other side and haven't plumbed up yet.
And I see there's a wee hole there for
heat pump. Yep. Heat pump pipes come down there, and I'm going to cut a hole at the bottom.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That view about to disappear.
Okay, so got all the framing in. Now I've just put this flashing in, so I'm going to put the new weatherboards under the existing flashing and on top of the new flashing. So any water will come down on top of the weatherboards and then on top of the weatherboards. So we're not replacing all these, we're just putting new weatherboards in here. And so this should keep it nice and weather tight. So building paper on next, coming on to the flashing. So if any water gets in behind, it'll drip onto the building paper and out. And that's where we're at. Building paper.